comes to India's COVID fight, India's indigenous vaccine Covaxin has now been given emergency approval usage for children as young as 2 to 18 years old. Now a lot of vaccines abroad have been approved for the children but not as young as 2-year-old. So this is a major significant move that India has taken for the protection of children against the COVID-19 virus in a much needed respite for parents. So let's take a look at all the other vaccines that have been approved for across the world for COVID vaccine. The first one being Pfizer BioNTech vaccine. Now this vaccine was approved by the US FDA as early as May, but the age group of children from 12 to 15 years old. So it's not basically for children that are young as 2 to 5-year-old, but these are basically for teenagers between 12 to 15-year-old. The next vaccine that has been approved is Moderna's mRNA COVID vaccine that has been approved by the European Union Medicine Watchdog for children aged 12 to 17. The drug regulator said that research in more than 3,700 children showed that the Moderna vaccine produced a comparable antibody response. The next one on the list is Zydus Cadila. Now this is the first vaccine that was approved in India for children but not for children as young as 2 years or 1 year old. This is approved for children between above 12 years old. So, this was again world's first DNA plasmid vaccine, but this is basically the first vaccine that was approved in India for the usage of children. The next on the list is Sputnik V. Now Sputnik is already in India, but it is not being given to children. It is used for adults as of now, but apart from India, it has been approved for children between 12 to 17 years. So again in the adolescent children group. The next one is Johnson & Johnson, which is a US major pharma. This has applied for permission to conduct clinical trials. So it is not approved as of now, but they have applied for clinical trials. It is a single shot COVID vaccine, again for the age group of 12 to 17. It also demonstrated a very high rate of 85% efficacy in preventing severe disease across regions. The next two on the list are Chinese vaccines, the first one being Sinovac. Now it has been said that it's safe in children between the age group of 3 to 17. So this vaccine is not particularly for teenagers but also for children as young as 3. Preliminary data has been submitted to the Chinese drug regulators and China has approved its usage in adults but not in children yet. So the trials are going on. The next vaccine and the last one on the list is Sinopharm. This is developed by Sinopharm's institute in Wuhan and has been approved for emergency use in children between 3 and 17, again same as the Sinovac's age group. The vaccine has already completed phase 1 and phase 2 clinical trials showing a high neutralizing antibody level among that age group.